Hobby Lobby has loaded up on spring stuff and it is all on sale, 40% off right now. They have a ton of decor pieces that you can pick from, carrots, all kind of different sizes that you can grab. They have a lot of Highland cow pieces. They have the garland. They have like just little decor pieces that you can put up. They have a lot of craft items that you can do too if you are looking to do like some cute crafts and stuff like that. Some things that you can build upon, some things that you can just use as is. The place settings, they have some really nice pieces. And you can pair these with like say your regular dishes that you use, especially if you use like solid color dishes, and you can make like a nice spring place setting with these. The details in these are super nice. They have things for outdoors, they have things for indoors. Like I said, some really nice simple pieces that you can just put up and go. But if you wanted to get crafty, they do have some nice crafty pieces. They have like faux topiary pieces, they have big pieces. They have started putting out the 2026 graduation pieces, so if you wanted to get ready for that, they have those pieces. And then of course they'll have like craft supplies so you can make like some 2026 decor pieces and things like that. These little mini pieces I thought were so cute. They had a lot of different options in the minis for spring, so if you do like crafts that require little mini pieces and stuff like that, definitely check out Hobby Lobby and see what they have as far as the minis for the crafting for the spring. They have, like I said, some faux outdoor pieces that you can grab. A lot of things for your garden. So say you garden, different things like that. They have like the metal pieces for the garden. They have like some other pieces for your garden. They have small little decor pieces, just like, cute little spring pieces. They have a lot of cute little gnomes too, that you can grab for the season. These statues I thought was so pretty, and like maybe you can put these on your porch or on your pathway if you don't like have a garden or something like that and stuff. You can use these pieces like that for the spring season. But they do have a lot of options that you can grab. The wood blanks. So you can see they have door hanger style pieces. A lot of pieces, again, that you can build upon. The wood blanks I like. You can get really creative with these and then, turn them into something that you do like. And these are going to be part of the 40% off too. So if you are looking to grab your spring pieces, remember there's 40% off. This little chair I thought was so cute and has the mesh at the bottom. Put some little faux florals in there and you are ready to go for the season. They did have the fabrics on sale. They didn't have a lot left at my Hobby Lobby, but they are part of the sale, and these have like nice little details. So check out yours. These were my favorite. So they like crochet knit, like faux florals and stuff. These are so stinking cute. And they had a lot of different options. So not just faux florals, they had like a little bee and different things like that and stuff. But you can make something really nice with these. And it's just something different. You can grab the faux florals too. They have the spring ones out right now for the season at Hobby Lobby.